Hi, it's Mr. Duttavio here. I just want to talk you through editing your profile in WordPress. So if you're here on the main spot where you press My Site, you're going to go up here and press the little circle, right? Once you hit the circle, you're going to put in your first name and your last initial. So I have, Mr. Duttavio in there, but you can just put like that. Public display name, you're going to want to make sure that you put your first name and your last initial or some of those effects. I put Mr. Duttavio Editor so that anybody that's looking understands the role and what my name is. Then in the About Me, you don't have to put anything at all. I put that just so that people would understand what was going on. Make sure that you hit Save Profile Details, all right? And you'll be able to do that. The rest of your assignment is going to be to go into Wake ID, and we're going to log into EverFi. So from Wake ID, press the EverFi button, and you need to complete Introduction to Mental Health today. And then we're going to work on understanding mental health disorders after that. These are assessment grades, which means a test. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.